Alright, hey, what's up? We're going to be going through my all-time number one favorite touch-free system, which is Magic One Nexus at the 66 Suds car wash. And it's ready. One last time.
If you would like a receipt, press refund now.
Alright.
Thank you for your purchase. To start your car wash,
Alright, this is going to be my last time. I'm really going to miss this, but the great news is this, and the wash menus are going to be all mine. Here we go. My all-time number one favorite touch-free system. Magic One Nexus, piece of beauty in my heart. There we go. My mom is taking pictures because she knows. But the owner of the taxi will give it to me. But I'm not, the Counterfield location will give me to it. So this is my all-time favorite. So I talked to myself with. Can't believe it. It's just gonna break my heart and just start crying. Now the back windshield is off because get the dirt off. Press it out. And then I'm probably 3 outdoors. So yeah, so it's gonna begin to replace the textural Auto Track 360 yellow arm. God bless. Thank you. Woo! Yeah! Oh, look at that baby! No, this is the clear coat wax, the zippy. You turn the lights off because the light bulbs are kind of worn out. The company went out of business a long time ago, many years ago, but I think Instagram took over. It's located in Bristol, Virginia. Not even close to West Virginia, part of West or anything. No. Virginia. And it smells really good. All right, here comes the turbo foam polish. And it's always a great coat turbo foam. The light is burned out, turned off because it's, this is the last day of running actually, so I gotta talk. Then next I'll upload the next car wash. I won't be as much. Maybe a little, when I'll see. Tiny bit, maybe. Yeah, heck yeah. Just can't believe it, but great news is I found more going through. It's my favorite. I'm getting a tattoo, my own machine, and my own equipment are part of this. This machine and with the equipment. Now high pressure wash. Woo! Look at that, baby. Now it's a spot-free rinse. The light is turned off again because it's not burnt out or anything. It's you don't turn off. Wow. Heck yeah, that was a test out and the back windshield wipers out. Now that is wrong time out. This baby does an awesome job cleaning my family's vehicle. But this fall season, 2022 and maybe next year, depending what's going on, 2023, earlier winter, my mom is training this vehicle to a brand new one. Newer version. Now, I'm not going to walk through the exit because I got to get these exits on lights on video. Picture or anything. Film and screenshot. Camera. That was awesome as always. Well, right now it's kind of, I feel this brake coming to me right now, but it's heartbreaking. This baby's getting replaced. All right, in this situation, I'm gonna have to walk to the exit view, walk towards it, because I'm gonna say goodbye to it. Even though my mom hollers, but she knows. The owner, I just cannot believe this is happening. Come on. It's a good thing I have shoes on. So I don't know, like flip-flops, sandals, sneakers. Can't believe it. Yeah. Hold on. God, Magic One Nexus, I'm gonna miss you so much. I can feel it coming. Just giving the machine a hug. I'm really gonna miss it, but the great news is I'm getting my own. Hold on. Can't believe it. Just gonna get it. Well, I'm really gonna miss this baby so much. I mean, it was great fun in 2020, and now this is breaking my heart. I can feel the grief. Well, the petrol, I'll try 360 with yellow arms comes in. These drives are gonna go too. Yeah, I went. And here's the equipment room. All right, and it's 18 years old. It's old age for a car wash. All right, so when this is all gone and everything, if I'm in this structure with my mom for a veterinary job, I'll still go through this one, the Petrol 360 auto track with yellow arms, but also I'll still visit this. And then interesting news, but I found some more car washes. So right now we're gonna get part 3 upload, get the owner call, a good friend of mine, and then see what the update is, and then say goodbye one last time. Goodbye, Magic One Nexus. But the great news is the machine, probably this one or Cottlesville location, one of them, and the equipment, it will be all mine. And shout out to Greg, the owner. He's done the best. He's done a good job. All right, so that being said, thank you for watching. Do me a favor, subscribe. Keep me in your prayers. But the best thing is, I'm never giving up. I found a couple more, and I want to give a shout out to, also another second shout out to, not like first to, King of Car Wash. He found some more Magic One Nexus like in Sunbury, PA, followed by some others location. And even though I wanted to do a horrible job, I'm still gonna go through it because check out this channel. So that being said, thanks for watching. And keep me your prayers also during this because I've been going through so much pressure. All right, till next time. Later, y'all. See ya.